how to top up your Revolut account. So first, what you want to do is you want to click on your account icon. So in this case, it's this euro sign right here. After I click this, I can scroll down and I can click on add money directly from your bank account. Here is going to ask me how much money I would like to add. So let's just say that it's going to be 65 euro, and I'm going to select easy bank transfer. And I'm going to click on continue. Here, I'm going to have the option to choose one of the banks in my country, or I can also click other, and I can enter these details when transferring money from my own bank account to my Revolut one. Now, if I go back to the add money page and I click on change, if you scroll down, you can actually top up your Revolut also with Apple Pay. So once again, you simply enter the amount and you click on Apple Pay, then double tap on the right button and you'll be able to top it up with Apple Pay. And lastly, you can also top it up with a card. So you can add a card securely, enter your card details, and you'll be able to top up your Revolut account with your card. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.